Hello, I'm Dan, and this is my website building gig. I do product reviews on this channel, but today I want to let you know about my AI website building craft and my product I use called CleverSitebuilder AI. With CleverSitebuilder AI, it's easy for me to build a website in a minute. And I can edit it as desired, all within a few hours time, and not take 5 days to 2 weeks to do it. This is made possible with the power of AI, of course. So now, in this short presentation, I want to show you what I mean by building a website in the shortest time, pardon that cell phone, by giving you a quick demonstration of how it gets done. This is an important video for people who want to show their business or practice to the world out there. So save this video for later. If you don't have time to watch it now, save it for later because you'll want to get back to this. Save, subscribe, and get notified with the bell icon checked to get more AI related news, views, and insights. This product automatically optimizes for fast loading speeds for mobile devices, for SEO, for copywriting, and everything happens at lightning speed. You don't need to wait for inspiration to kick in. That all happens with AI. I must mention that this is not an e-commerce website builder, but it's great for selling single products, etc. And you'll have to link the site to your own payment service providers such as Stripe, PayFast, PayPal, etc. Okay, so that the integrations for that you'll have to do by way of linking it. It's pretty simple to do. If you have any questions, this is to save time, because the benefits and features of using CleverSitebuilder AI are like too many to mention or too many to cover in just one video. So please leave your comments in the comment section and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. So enough talk. Let me show you what building a website with AI is all about. Oh yes, but first quickly let me mention that I'm offering to sell some licenses for the first 20 or 25 people who respond to this video. By being committed to building and selling an AI website to businesses or practices, you'll get an unbeatable deal if you are one of the first 20 to 25 respondents. That said, let's go and let's get into it. So I've already started putting the name of the website. There it is, and what it's about is gearbox repairing. What type of business? That is what it is. What is the name? What do you want? This is the AI assistant that's going to help me to create this website. So off we go. I've entered this, what it's about. It's gearbox and engine service and repair, and it's in English. Now the AI assistant is going to give me some suggestions and I'm going to go through them and see if I can add or remove.
Disclaimer,
Right, so
this website is only a demo. It is for the purpose of demonstration only.
That was there. Yeah, I've added this, things that I could think of, and now I'm going to proceed to the next step to build a website using AI. There it is getting to work, and this will take a short while and then we'll get back to it. So now I'm going to the next step, and that is to launch to select the theme of the website. So the theme has got all the elements and sections and blocks. Now the thing is, I'm going to choose one. I've decided I want to choose this one. So I'm going to click continue. I chose that one because of it looks clean, and there's not too much clutter. What it's doing now is it's busy doing its thing, creating a website. While it's creating, it's getting images. I don't have to go and search the web for images. Everything is being done for me, and I'm just sitting back and creating a website with AI. This is awesome. This is the power of AI at work. Once this has been created, then I can do edits. I can edit pictures, I can edit the whole thing using the powerful editor that is inbuilt in this system. So as you can see, this is being created right in front of your eyes. Images getting selected out of the blue. There's an image that I could replace, and there we go. This is the website created. Can scroll back upwards again. Of course, I'm going to add and remove stuff. So I can build a website within minutes. Within a day I can have it ready, edited and all those things. Where normally a website takes about 5 to 7 days, maybe 2 weeks, this takes me minutes. This is awesome, the power of AI at work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit this website. Go into the editor. I'm in the editor and it shows all kinds of views. It's already optimized for cell phones. By the way, it's also already optimized for SEO as well. And this is a tablet view, tablet on its side, laptop, and you've got full screen as well. So it's easy to build. Here is the AI assistant. I can just speak to it. I've got settings. I don't have to type, I just speak to it and it makes changes where I need them. I can ask it questions, change images, just put in the prompts over there. AI is the future, and the future is now. I'm going to go ahead and start editing this website. So while I'm editing, I can have a live preview going here. So you'll see as I scroll through here. This is what the website looks like on the preview. This is me scrolling on the website itself. This is happening at the same time. Can close that. Here's when I want to add sections. Sections are these sections here that show the different blocks. I can add sections and I can remove them. Content blocks is where I add these things. I can add a header using sections. If I want to add a header, I can do so, and if I want to put in a nav bar, a navigation bar, I can do that as well. I can just click on here. I'm going to cancel for now. Typography, different kinds of fonts. There are many of them. So if I want to change this, for instance, I can replace it with this. And if I'm not happy with that, then I can just undo it. It's that quick to edit. Here's animations. If you want to add or remove animations, you can add HTML, hypertext markup language, script. For instance, here, this is the script for the website. And if I want to add or remove stuff, this is where I go. So for now, I'm going to cancel. The AI assistant, of course, and you can add forms to collect email addresses and things like that. And here is the timeline editor. How wide, how high, the scale, rotate, opacity. You can change all these settings here. As I say, within a day, a website will be up and running. There's no waiting, and I can send you the website with the source code, and I can also host the website for you if you prefer that. So I'm giving you some options. Now I'm going to go and actually do the editing of the website. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video through until the end. Please check out the comment section, and also in the description below I will be leaving a link or two, so feel free to have a look at that. And until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.